aabedeen died, my brothers. So they call him Zainul Aabedeen, the beauty, Zina, Zina, the beauty of the worshippers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This boy, when he was young, this to give you an example of khushu of salah, and this will get us right into the heart of our subject, how we can increase khushu and sincerity in our salah. Once someone saw him making wudu and his face was pale, okay, pale. They asked him, said, why is your face pale? Why are you scared? You seem like really scared. He says, do you realize who I am about to meet? The man still didn't understand. He said, Subhanallah, we're about to stand before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why should I not be worried about my a'mal, my deeds? What have I earned, and with what I am going to stand before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, with what face I am going to face Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala jalla jalaluhu. And here we are